All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Artemis level, otherwise known as level number 10, from the Hades CTF labs over at HackMyVM.eu. So to get started, the first thing we need to do in each one of these levels is to take a look at the mission.txt file. So it says we need bin bash so that the user Asia gives us her password. Bin bash. We need bin bash so the user Asia gives us her password. So inside of the level here, there's a binary called restricted. So restricted is, it's a file owned by root. And okay, so let's take a look at what our shell is. So it says we need bin bash, but what is our shell? Our shell is echo shell bin bash. We have bin bash. We are the Artemis user, which means that we should be able to execute this. We should be able to execute this shell or this restricted binary. Restricted. It says your shell is bin bash, and is this the password for the next level? This might be the password for the next level, everybody. So the next user is Asia with this password. That seems a bit weird. Okay, let's talk about what happened in this level. Okay, so in Hades level 10, Artemis, we're in a restricted shell. We're actually not in a restricted shell. Okay. So I think I'm looking at the wrong stuff. Hold on. So this is level 10. It says we need bin bash so that the user Asia gives us her password. When we run this thing, it looks like the challenge is bugged. So we're not supposed to be able to. There's no privilege escalation here. It's just running a binary. That's not fun. But yeah, but we got the password for the next level anyways. All right, everybody. Let's what's happening here? Okay, so it seems that the restricted binary outputs the password for the next level if the shell environment variable is set to bin bash. And it seems like the challenge is currently bugged and gives us the answer straight away. So we just need to run the thing. But everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Artemis level, otherwise known as level number 10, from the Hades CTF labs over at HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.